Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin just dropped, and Ethereum just dropped on the announcement that first Donald Trump sent a plane back of people from America, Colombians that broke their visas, sent them back to Colombia. The president refused to take those people, sent them back to America. So Trump threatened him with 25% tariffs. So Colombian president said it was inhumane that they came in handcuffs. He sent his presidential plane to pick them up. And then he put 50% tariffs on America. And in that alteration, Bitcoin and Ethereum dropped on the news. So did the stock market, because people are worried now that prices will go up. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is weird when Michael Saylor is buying Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Michael Saylor posted yesterday that he's going to be buying again, and then Bitcoin dropped further. We're going to jump into technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm going to show you my trades. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My account took a hit on that drop, 1106. From the high this week was 1185, so it's about an 80k drop, which is quite big. Ethereum dropping a lot on the news. You can see here it just happened about two hours ago. We dropped from 3339 to 3200. Same with Bitcoin. We dropped from 105 to 102,600, and we're not getting much of a bounce, which is not so beautiful. Bitcoin and Ethereum fading. We're going to jump into the technicals now. The market took a massive hit, including altcoins on this news. Jumping into Bitcoin, 102,600. The weekly candle just finished yesterday. It finished. It's not such a good candle with that drop. It dropped right before the candle finished. We were at 105, which would have been a green engulfing, but this turned now into a bearish hammer candle. A bearish hammer candle played out on Bitcoin. Crypto Guru bot is still a blue buy, which it fired back in February 2023 at 20k. It's still a blue buy now. It didn't fire a sell. Bitcoin indicator bot would have probably fired a buy if not that candle drop, but it's still showing a sell, so it didn't fire a buy on that weekly. It looks like we're still in a bull flag, and we're still in this fourth to fifth impulse wave, the final of the impulse waves. Let's go closer into the daily, but it is showing weakness. That symmetrical triangle, we had a cup and handle and a symmetrical triangle that should have broke out yesterday, but it didn't. Instead of breaking out, it actually fell back down. So that's showing a little bit weakness. However, it was during when the ETFs were closed on the weekend, and I always say they always use the ETFs being closed to attack the price. I placed my trade from yesterday, activated on Bitcoin. Almost hit stop loss, but it is active now. It opened at 103,300. This was the riskier trade, and now it's at 102,500, still active. The stop loss is 102.38. The safer trade was at 99,000, which is much closer now to activating. Stochastic is turning down on the daily, which is not so beautiful. Let's go into the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, it broke the symmetrical triangle to the downside. We should have got a breakout before that news with Colombia would have sent us up, but instead we got a breakdown, which is not so good. If we break down here, the target of this breakdown of this symmetrical triangle would be 93k, which would not be good, to be honest. If this breaks down, I'll move the safer trade to 93,600, stop loss 91,174, and take profit 129k, which is the target of some of the patterns. 15 risk to reward ratio, risking 2,200 to make 36,000. 10x leverage will be 360. For a safer trade, that's the safer trade. For a riskier trade, it's already activated this trade. If this breaks down, next support, we're at 102 support. You see, it's holding on to this support. Next support down, I would say, would be at 99k. Which is really not good. We needed to have a breakout there to continue this bull market. There's a lot of signs that this is the top. For example, all these meme coins pumping out. I'm going to close my trades, everyone, and set my trades lower. My Bitcoin trade was 7 Bitcoin more than this, so it was sitting at an extra 5k. The high was 107 before the drop. So 107, so it's 4k times 7. We're talking, I would have had another 28k on top of this Bitcoin trade, but I'm going to close it and set orders down. 55,000 profits. I'll keep my Ethereum trade and buy more on the drop. But that Bitcoin drop wasn't good to see, to be honest. I'm going to set buys now on Bitcoin. I'm going to clear out these buys and I'm going to set buys down. Exactly as I showed. I just sold now and we're dropping as after I sold. Ethereum not dropping so much. It dropped to 302 and then got a little bit of a bounce. So, okay, on Bitcoin, I'm going to set buys at, let's go into the weekly. Weekly, the bottom of the channel. I would say that this is very strong support here, 91. So, okay, I'm going to make support lines just to see. I would cancel the riskier trade, to be honest, after this breaking down. It's not so good. It's showing weakness on Bitcoin. We should have, Trump came in, all this good news, Saylor buying, and Bitcoin drops. So it's showing that it's very high. People don't want to buy it up here, to be honest. That's what it's telling us, that it's high. I would set buy on Bitcoin at 90, I would say at 90,600 is a very strong support. And I would say another very strong support to buy would be 96. And another strong support would be 99. $96 and $90K, I'm going to activate trades on Bitcoin. So I'm going to set some trades now. I closed my Bitcoin trade 50K in the profits. It was a lot more at the 107. It would have been, you can see where I was buying Bitcoin and then where I sold it, you see? I got majority of those buys at 90K. So I'm going to buy at 90K 5 Bitcoin. At 90,000, I'll buy 5 Bitcoin. Cost me 23K, confirm. And I will buy 2 Bitcoin at $98. I'll buy 2 Bitcoin. No, 3 Bitcoin. 3 Bitcoin at 98,800. So I've got orders now for at 98,800 for 3 Bitcoin, at 90 for 5 Bitcoin. I'm going to leave those orders. Ethereum is dropping further. Shit. Just as I was saying, getting a bounce. So, okay, where do I have any trades on Ethereum? Ethereum, I have trade at 2,950, 10 Ethereum. World, I have it $1.50. Doge, 33.33. Uni at $10. But the altcoins, and why I'm worried is, Bitcoin is free falling. As I sold, look, it just dropped even further from where I sold at 102,500, and we're falling further. But that means Ethereum is also going down a lot, 14K. I'm going to buy 5 Ethereum here. Let's see if it activates. 5 Ethereum. Most of my buys on Ethereum were sitting at 3,149. So I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to do it the same. I'm going to put buys on Ethereum at where I bought last time. So 3,144. I'll get 5 Ethereum. 5 Ethereum, 3,144. And I'll also want to add Ethereum at 2,900. And there I'll add 15 Ethereum at 2,916, 15 Ethereum. So now I've got a trade for 5 Ethereum at 3,144, which is very close. You can see I've got that order at 3,144, and I've got 15 Ethereum at 2,916. My Ethereum trade now negative 14K, my account 1,102. Taking quite a big hit on that drop, actually. 80 from the high this week. It's about 83K drop, unfortunately. 3,144. is further. Failed breakouts are not nice to see, to be honest. 3144. Yeah, it can easily come down to 2900. I'll add more to this position if we drop. So okay, I'll leave trades 15 Ethereum 2900, 5 Ethereum 3144. My account 1101. Altcoins taking a hit a lot. I'm gonna buy some altcoins on this drop. MCRT, I'm gonna buy 500 more. Everyone, you have to do your own due diligence. World, massive drop on World. Look at that, 7%. Raced my gains. That was 108,000, so I took a big hit on World. I had 108 in there. So 108 down to 87 is 8 plus, quite a big hit actually on World. 108 down to 87. Huge drop from $2.40. I had buys picking up World at $1.80. So I've got buys now on World at $1.50. And I'll set a buy for World at $5,000. I'll buy it at $1.80. $1.83, $5,000 worth. And at $1.50, I've got to buy more, about $10,000 worth. Ethereum 2,900, Bitcoin 98.90, Doge 26, and Uni at 10. This was not a beautiful drop for the markets. 5% drop on altcoins that are already hammered. My Uni swap is dropping a lot as well. Uni 55k, huge drop on altcoins. 3 bearish indicators. 5% drop on Uni. Huge drops actually. Not nice. Altcoin, this is not good to see, everyone. We should have been extremely bullish. Head and shoulders on Uni as well. Shit. Strong support on Uni, I would say. Strong support on Uni would be, let's check. Bitcoin dropping. So my buy orders at 96 and 90. I'm going to set an alert for this. And on Ethereum, Uni, the whole market getting hit. Let's check out Uni. $11.40. Uni breaking down from this symmetrical triangle. Not nice. Target of this symmetrical triangle, $8. $8.60. It's erased the full alt season, like completely destroyed the alt season. The markets, no one trusts the market after what happened with Trump coin, what happened with Melina coin, all these shit coins that are pumping, fart coin and random altcoins. Everyone's just launching these random altcoins, usually the sign of the top, and a lot of people are taking this as the sign of the top. So Uni 55k, 5% down, 11.40. I've got to buy already on Uni at $10. 10,000 Uni. I'll keep it at 10. Yeah, I'll keep it at $10. World, I'll keep it at $1.80, which is about to activate actually. $1.50. Ethereum 2,900, 3,100. I don't trust this 3,100 Ethereum position actually. Yeah, okay, I'll keep it there. 5 Ethereum. Okay, that's my orders, and again we're getting a drop, quite a strong one. I got some MCRT. I want to buy a little bit. World is down a lot, so the order is at $1.80, very close to where we are now. Can easily activate. I'll let that activate. Uni I've got at $10, very close to where we are now. Let it activate. Solana, 7% drop. Look at that, erasing the gains. Wow. I bought Solana here at 215, pumped to 300, now back to 235. Where I would buy Solana, to be honest, is at 177. I don't want Solana too high up, in my opinion. I took a 7k hit on Solana. Dogecoin also coming down 6% on Doge. Doge, I've got buys at 26 cents. Big support, I would say, on Doge is, yeah, 26 cents is a big support for Doge. So I'll leave that order there. I'm going to leave these orders. Account 1101 taking quite a big hit today. on that drop. Join us in the Telegram. There's 290 people. Bounce or die. Meme coins ended this market. I hate meme coins, shit coins. Exactly, everyone. Stop trading all these meme coins. All these meme coins are taking out all the liquidity from the market, and then no one trusts it because shitcoin and fartcoin and Bitcoin as I was showing, Bitcoin is dropping really strong right now. Emergency, Bitcoin and Ethereum. We should have got a breakout yesterday. So for this to fall, it's very dangerous. Biggest Bitcoin sellers in the last 24 hours. You can see the different sellers here. 344 million from that address, 309 million from Binance, Coinbase, 300 million. Tomorrow morning, please call each of the sellers and ask them to vote yes for Robert Kennedy for HHS. Nice way of stacking more subs. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Michael Saylor saying he's buying more Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin drops just now. So doesn't make any sense. Purchase of Bitcoin, MCRT, they're saying that MSTR, they're saying to buy more Bitcoin, and then it drops. So it doesn't make really any sense what he's saying. Why would it, if he's buying more Bitcoin, why would it be dropping so strongly just as he buys? You see what I mean? And that always happens with Michael Saylor. It's weird. He always says I'm buying, and then you get Bitcoin massively dropping. Okay, let's see Bitcoin. Yeah, it's still free falling. I closed it here. I closed it here 32500 in this video, and now we're at 11795. Not so beautiful. So okay, I've got trades on Ethereum 2900, Ethereum 3144, World $1.80, which is close to activating, to be honest. $1.80. Maybe I leave that $1.50 for World. I'm going to cancel this World at $1.80, and I'm going to leave this World at $1.50. You'll buy $10,000 worth of World. I'm going to be very cautious here. 1101, huge hit on the altcoins. Altcoins taking the majority of the hit here. Doge I've got at 26 cents. You can see where I was buying Doge, but it erased this pump. Doge, yeah, I'll keep buyers at 26 cents. That's my updates in the market, everyone. Quite a brutal Monday, but again, it's the ETFs are closed, so we should expect to bounce. January 27th, this competition finishes. So today, I think it finishes. With Weex, win a Mercedes GLA Gold Bar Rolex, 150k. All the links are down below. Sign up to Bybit, you get a 60k bonus. Main exchange I use for trading. Weex, $200 sign-up bonus. USA, UK, and Australia just on sign-up. Bitunix KYC free, 5,500. And take the mastercourse, jamescryptoguru.com for the mastercourse and for the Telegram, where you can join everyone in the conversation. And again, people talking about this dump. The crypto community should be a whole companies cooking us one of those GameStops. People, Guru limit buy at 102 activated on Bitcoin. Okay, Gurus, how do I buy World Libertyfi without being a certified investor? It's not yet live, everyone. The World Libertyfi isn't live. People getting hit hard by this drop recently, which is very not good, because it looked like that it was going to break out Bitcoin. So for it to drop like this, crypto is a scam. It's not. People have been saying that since 3K Bitcoin, but you have to trade it very, always use isolated margin, never isolated only, never cross. If you use cross, you can wipe out your account. Make sure you would have known that if you took the crypto master course. James, why don't you use smart money strategy? I think the market can be analyzed by geographic figures. If you really want us to give financial freedom, say, give us more knowledge. Thank you. Learn technical analysis. Take the crypto master course, stock guru master course. By saying that, I don't think you've taken the courses. Every day is emergency. Did you work for an ambulance before you became a YouTuber? Now you see why it's an emergency. Good morning. Thanks for your 5-star content. I expected it to break out though. But when you have a failed breakout like that, it is actually a warning. That's my updates in the market. I still closed 50k profits on Bitcoin, but that trade was 100k. My account was 1.2, so it took about 100k hit on those drops. I'm going to pick up Ethereum with the lower buy orders, and Bitcoin, I need to spike down, and I'm going to pick very buyers on reds. However, the ETF's closed, so if the ETF's open and we get a strong bounce, that's very good news. But something is wrong when all this good news is coming out. Michael Saylor buying billions of Bitcoin last week, didn't pump. He just announced that he bought Bitcoin now, probably billions, didn't pump. Donald Trump says Bitcoin strategic reserve Reserve, no tax in crypto in the USA, that his company World Liberty is buying Bitcoin, yet Bitcoin price hasn't been moving at all, which is telling me when we were at the 17K, and it doesn't matter how much bad news was coming up, Bitcoin wasn't dropping. That was the warning, that was the signs of the bottom. When Bitcoin is having all this good news at 102, 105K and nothing is moving, that's signs of the top. Love you all, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on another sign of the top, just like in 2017 with the ICO craze. It was all these shit coins that are being launched, Melina, all these like meme coins that are being launched and pumping like crazy. Trump, Melina, pumping and dumping. This was exactly what happened in 2017 with the ICOs before the end of the market. And on New Year's 2018, it was the most brutal drop ever, where Bitcoin dropped from 20K down to 3K by the time it finished. So not good news for this. We should have got a strong pump. However, I'm not completely bearish. We're still in the 4th to 5th wave. I will pick up Bitcoin at those buy orders. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.